Okay, it's time to add our first platform, and we're going to place it just underneath the player there so we can actually test out the controls of that as well. So this platform, this ground tile, it's going to be a new object, so we can again just right click anywhere on the main screen and select Insert New Object. Same thing again, we're going to search for a sprite, double click the sprite option. Our mouse turns to a crosshair, we're just going to click anywhere underneath the player. And then very quickly, again using the fill tool, we're just going to select a new colour, click once inside the square, and then up in the top right to close the paint editor. Now we're going to shrink this down to a very thin rectangle, place it underneath the player, and let's just see what happens when we preview the game. We can see the player still falls through that platform. There's a very important step we need to do, which is to add a solid behaviour to the platform that the player stands on. So over again in the left, we open up the behaviours menu, click Add New Behaviour. This time, search for solid. Double click, close this menu, run the game. And finally we have a little working player. So we can push the left and right arrow keys, we can push up to make them jump. But still not a proper game. So we can drag in a few more of these platforms. So I'm just going to the project bar where we made them, dragging them anywhere inside the dotted line. Hit play one more time. There we go. And our very important last step on this video is to name that ground as well. So find the new object in the project bar, right click and rename ground.